So this is what we did today. Well, basically the shading is what we did today. I already creamed it up, and then I thought, what if we film what I shaded? It's kind of, yeah, you can see what I shaded. It's all in red and brown. It is a bit shiny. Maybe no. I was gonna say maybe I could turn the lights off, but it'll be pretty much the same. But if I come closer, anyways. So here I used quite a lot of black and just shaded out into there, and then I don't know what we're gonna do in the upper trap area. We'll see. We're gonna blend those two together, and then Amy said maybe we can extend more towards the neck. Probably that would be pretty cool. Extend that a little bit longer. Last time we outlined all of this, and then today just shading. 15 mag and 23 mag was like the majority of what I used. 15 mag I did all the blacks as well because it's kind of like big enough to do big areas, but it's small enough that it goes in nice. And I did try a little bit of black with 23 mag. It was like shading more rather than packing. So I was like, cool, swapped it back to 15 and it just went pretty easy. Probably bigger shades somewhere I used 23, but mostly it was just 15 mag. Ink wise, I just used Allegory Grey Wash, and I basically just said that was black, then 70%, 50%, and 30%. I didn't even set up the light test. I just used the 30% to do the light test, and anything lighter than that just left as the skin. And then it gives that highlight look and highlight feeling. Without having any highlights, it just stands out from miles away. What else I need to say? I did dot work there. Dot works. Dotted. Amy hated. The worst feeling from all of this. And then did all that, all the back, all the way down to half bump cheek there. And then she said, don't give me any more line work. So I kind of shaded as much as I could till I need more line work. And then line work will be next time. For the black, I just used Dynamic Triple Black. That's about it. Water. Pretty much there. You can see black 50, 30. No. Black 70, 50, 30%. I always use 2 ink cups, as you can see. And the machines and papers and all that. Reference with loads of lines that the printer wanted to fuck around. And that was it. Maybe you can give a word with the pain.
Bearable.
You can hold that.
It was just bearable. Yeah, the dot work is not good, and the fine line work is just not great. Yeah, that was really not great. Low down.
Spine, how was that?
Not too bad. Not too bad. I prefer shading.
The line work.
Yeah, definitely. But yeah, low down, the fine lines, low down. That's
These there.
that was really hard. That was hard to sit through.
And there's not many of them. Not many of them. I think that's about it now. I think that's documented.